At the Jesuit-founded Georgetown University, there are naturally crosses and religious symbols everywhere. But Tuesday, when this stage at Gaston Hall was set for President Barack Obama, the cross and the letters IHS, a symbol for Jesus Christ's name, were covered over, blacked out. This photograph shows how the pediment above the stage normally looks, but this was how it appeared Tuesday. The adjustment was first reported by the website cnsnews.com and has set off a heated online debate. On our NBC Washington website, more than 1,000 people have posted comments, many angered by the cover-up. Writes one, "I try to imagine what would have happened if Obama had asked a synagogue to remove a Star of David or Muslims to remove their headscarves." At the Georgetown campus today, only a few students had picked up on the buzz.
People have been
A Georgetown spokesman tells News 4 the White House requested the adjustment. So, quote, Georgetown honored the White House staff's request to cover all Georgetown University signage and symbols behind the Gaston Hall stage in order to accommodate a backdrop of American flags. The White House spokesman says the change was made simply so the stage would conform with the background for other policy speeches. Said Shin Inoue, decisions made about the backdrop for the speech were made to have a consistent background of American flags, which is standard for many presidential events. Any suggestions to the contrary are simply false. But critics aren't satisfied with the explanation. Writes another on our website, why would Georgetown ever allow a symbol of Jesus to be hidden at the request of anyone? Georgetown should be ashamed of their pandering.